Yeah, no stars, no stars, no stars.
Aurelia.
Elder.
What travels faster, sound or light?
Lights.
That's right. What color do you get when you mix red and blue?
Violeta.
Yeah, that's right. What country has the most tornadoes?
The United States.
It's right. So many, damn. Take the blue one. What planet is known as the red planet?
Marte.
That's right. How many bones does a shark have?
It doesn't have.
You think it doesn't have?
I think it has, but
But it's right, actually. It doesn't have bones.
Okay.
It doesn't have any bones. Yeah. True or false? Gravity is weaker on the moon than on Earth.
Luna.
Yeah, that's right. Que órgão controla os movimentos e os pensamentos?
cerebro.
That's right. Well done, you won.